Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a crypto trading bot with 3Commas, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an account on the 3Commas platform. Visit the official 3Commas website and click on the Get Started button. Fill in the necessary information to register, including your email address and a secure password. Check your email for a verification link and click on it to confirm your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard of your 3Commas account. Next, connect your cryptocurrency exchange to 3Commas. Find the My Exchanges tab in the left-hand menu. Click on Add Exchange and select your preferred exchange from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions to generate an API key from your exchange. Copy your API key and secret back into the 3Commas interface. Ensure you enable the necessary permissions for trading on your exchange's API settings. After successfully connecting your exchange, go to the Bots section on the left menu. Click on Create New Bot to start building your trading bot. Choose the type of bot you want to create, such as a simple bot or a composite bot. For beginners, a simple bot is recommended for easier management. Select the trading pair you wish to trade in the bot setup. Set your desired strategy by choosing between options like long or short. Define the parameters of your strategy, including take profit and stop loss levels. Customize your settings, like the trading amount and safety orders if applicable. Review all settings carefully to ensure they align with your trading goals. Once satisfied with the configurations, click Create Bot to finalize the setup. Your trading bot will now begin operating based on the strategy you defined. Monitor your bot's performance regularly through the dashboard. Make adjustments as necessary according to market conditions and your trading strategy. Utilize 3Commas features like Smart Trade and DCA bots for enhanced trading capabilities. Explore educational resources available on the platform to refine your trading skills. Stay updated on market trends and continuously improve your trading approach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.